How to create instant sneak peek for a client using Aftershoot AI's culling mode. First, you want to click on create album to create yourself an album, and then click on raw JPEG TIFF. Inside here, choose which folder has all of your photos and click on import from this folder. Once all the photos are imported, just click on something else. Once these photos are here, just click on the option cull. Inside cull, just cross this, you don't need this, and just click on start AI culling over here. And over here, just click on start AI automated cull. Over here under customization, you can click on it and choose whichever style of customization you want depending on the way you want it, and click on start cull. Now the start cull basically is going to select all the best picture from the album, and it's so fast that it can basically just select or show all the best picture to you within a minute, just like this. You guys just saw this. Now you can just show this highlight to your clients, and out of the best selected picture, whichever one they like, you can work on it and edit it. So this way you can just surf through hundreds of pictures instantly and select the top 10, top 5 best pictures. It saves a lot of time. So that's how it works. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.